Oh, I'm not even going to try, mate.
No, I think it's comedy.
Because I've not got a falsetto.
That sounded like a pterodactyl.
That was a bit of a cat squealing noise.
It's a great pterodactyl impression.
Thanks.
Okay.
Who won? Ding!
Okay, now lowest note.
Oh, you'll probably win that.
Oh, are you joking there? I've got a range of about this much.
He's just doing weird
I know, that's not singing.
I mean, I want to say that you've won that, but I think Jay has the wrong
What?
So
Ding!
Come on.
That's good.
Like Victor Meldrew. That sounds like a drain.
Yeah, it's not good. It's a fail. Sorry.
Well, then, yeah, do like an editing where we just cut to that. Okay.
Oh, wait.
Your Coke may come in handy now.
Woo.
You to burp SugarScape.
Oh, wicked. Okay.
Coke is great for burping.
Yeah.
Just gulp it and then give a minute. Okay.
SugarScape. SugarScape. SugarScape.
That was revolting. You're out the band, man. That's low.
I could have been sick a little bit.
Can I be his replacement then?
Yes.
Who said I was going? You.
No, it's on some gossip.
Is it SugarScape?